What is your name? First name?
Cindy.
Mine's Tom, in case you didn't know. So, in all full disclosure, Cindy is someone that I didn't just randomly run into. We've actually known each other for 5 years, and the others in this video are just random people that I run into. But we just met for the first time ever, and it's just completely awesome. So, Cindy, what do you love most? What is the coolest thing about living in the Saint Augustine area?
Oh, the history. That's got to be the greatest thing.
What is it about the history that you just think is the coolest thing about Saint Augustine?
I don't know, it's the culture. You know, the culture.
Yeah.
I believe that's the coolest thing about the history of Saint Augustine. And everybody that you meet is nice. Everybody loves to come here, and the weather makes it even better. So,
Amen.
yeah.
Amen to that. That's why we
And the
extended
water.
our stay.
I mean, everywhere you go, there's water.
By the way, it's nice to meet you after 5 years.
Nice to meet you too. It's great.